When you face drunk driving charges in Arizona, you need to understand your legal options. A conviction carries serious consequences that affect your life for years to come. If you're charged with driving under the influence, you might receive penalties like expensive fines and time in jail. The court may also put you on probation and take away your license for a period of time. You could be required to complete community service hours and install a special device in your car that tests your breath before it starts. A DUI stays on your record as a Class 1 misdemeanor until you turn 99 years old. This means it affects your background checks, job applications, and other opportunities throughout your life. You have options to reduce the impact of these charges. Working with a skilled lawyer gives you the chance to negotiate with the prosecutor handling your case. These negotiations can lead to a plea agreement that works in your favor. When you face DUI charges in Arizona, the prosecution may offer you a plea bargain. This is an agreement where you plead guilty or no contest to specific charges in exchange for certain benefits. Two main types of plea deals exist in DUI cases. A plea deal that lowers your charges offers significant advantages. Instead of a DUI conviction on your record, you might plead to a lesser charge like reckless driving. This is sometimes called a wet reckless when alcohol was involved, or a dry reckless when it wasn't. When the defendant accepts reduced charges through plea negotiations, several benefits may follow. The conviction carries less stigma than a DUI. Sentencing options are typically lighter. You may avoid mandatory license suspension. The charge won't count as a prior DUI offense. The look-back period in Arizona spans 7 years for DUI offenses. If you get reckless driving instead of a DUI, a future DUI arrest would count as a first offense rather than a second. This matters because repeat offenses bring harsher penalties. You might still need an ignition interlock device even with reduced charges. However, the overall impact on your record and future is much less severe. Your DUI defense lawyer will determine if negotiating with the prosecutor is the right approach. They may work to reduce your charges or lower your sentence through a plea agreement. Going to trial remains an option if the evidence against you has weaknesses your attorney can exploit. Contact Phoenix DUI Lawyer attorneys at law at 602-900-9891 to discuss your situation. Our criminal law team provides strong defense strategies for DUI cases throughout Arizona.